Hi, this is Tammy Swanson of Sonomarin Tutoring, here in my car, just about to go into my next tutoring session, but I thought I would answer a question that some of my students asked me. Tammy, how come I have to use flashcards all the time? Why are you always telling me to use flashcards? Isn't that so outdated? Well, yes and no. It's not enough to just stare at your sheet of notes or stare at the sheet of notes your teacher gave you. You really have to practice different modalities of learning. You have to hear your teacher say it, you have to see it, read it off the board, read it on your own sheet of notes, and you have to write it out. Math is stored in your brain in the same place, wherever that is, sorry, stored in the same place in your brain as a foreign language. So you want to practice like you would a foreign language. You want to speak math, you want to write math, you want to listen to math, you want to talk to people in math, you want to talk to your tutor, you want to write out all your homework, you want to show all the steps. But if you use flashcards, then you are kind of talking to someone when you're alone. You get to ask yourself the question without knowing what question you're asking yourself. So it's the only time you truly get to quiz yourself. So it's a really good idea. Make flashcards. I've watched a student. I have had 3 students this semester go from a D or F to a B. I think one kid went to an A-. Oh, please do your flashcards. Use your flashcards. You can do it. See you next time. Have a great day.